No distractions, just clear instructions. In the first step, open Settings. Later, select your Apple ID from the top. Later, tap on iCloud. In the next step, choose Find My iPad. Next, switch off Find My iPad. Then, if asked, provide Apple ID password. In the next step, navigate to Settings, then click on Face ID and then Passcode. Later, turn off Passcode. In the next step, access Settings, then tap on Screen Time. Next, disable Screen Time Passcode. In the next step, launch a web browser. Later, head to iCloud's official site. After that, sign in using Apple ID details. You are good to go.